I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Now search and select OneDrive. To get client ID in secret, please visit Azure portal. Now click on Register an application. Name Bit Integrations. Choose Personal Microsoft Accounts only. Select a platform. Web. Go to Bit Integrations Dashboard and copy Authorized Redirect URI. And paste it here. Now click on Register. Copy application ID. And paste it here. Go to Certificates and Secrets. Click New Client Secret. Click Add. Copy value. And paste it here. Click Authorize. Successfully authorized. Click Next. Select your respective folder. This is required. Check Upload Files. Select Upload File and OK. You can also delete your files from WordPress by checking this box. Click Next. Click on Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Choose your file. Click on Send Message. Let's check our OneDrive. As you can see, file successfully uploaded to OneDrive. Thanks for watching.